Income Tax Department, as we speak, is searching the premises linked to Chinese mobile companies. There are 3 major Chinese mobile companies that are being searched at 25 different locations that spread across 5 states in the country. Which companies are they? What are the allegations? Is it tax evasion? Arvind Gunasekar joins us for the very latest on that. Arvind, this is a massive search, 25 locations as we speak.
Yeah, Sonal, it's not just the number of places that are being searched by the Income Tax Department, but a coordinated operation that the Income Tax Department has initiated against 3 major Chinese mobile companies across the country. In fact, what we are being told is that this particular search operation is being spread over, is being currently underway, and it's spread, and it covers somewhere around 5 states. So Delhi, National Capital Delhi, and also in Noida, and also in Maharashtra, and also in Karnataka, and also in Tamil Nadu. So in 5 states, over 25 premises linked to 3 major Chinese mobile companies are being currently searched by the Income Tax Department. So when we reached out to our sources in the Income Tax Department regarding the reason for this particular search operation, what we are being told is that the agency has got credible input regarding tax evasion by these 3 major Chinese mobile companies, and that's why the agency has initiated search operation across the country in a coordinated effort. So all these 3 major Chinese companies are being raided, are being searched by the Income Tax Department at the same time. So what we are being told is that this particular search operation started in the wee hours of Wednesday, and it's still currently underway. Not just the premises, the manufacturing units or the assembly units of these 3 major Chinese mobile companies, but also top executives of these 3 major Chinese mobile companies are also being covered in this particular search operation. Also, all their logistical support units are also being searched by the Income Tax Department. That's what we are being told is that. So the searches that started in the VRs is still underway. So almost 25 locations spread over 5 states. That's where the Income Tax Department is currently carrying out search operation.
All right, couple of companies you can name, Arvind, who have been searched upon?
Sonal, what we are being told is that Xiaomi is one, and also Oppo. These 2 companies, including their top executives, are being currently searched by the Income Tax Department. And also OnePlus is also another company that the agency is covering in its search operation. So all these 3, because these 3 are major mobile companies, when you see in India, all these 3 have its origin from China. So all these 3 are Chinese major mobile companies in India. So including their top executives, and also their assembling units, and also their logistical team units, everything is being searched by the Income Tax Department, spread over 5 states, the National Capital and also NCR region, including Noida, and also in Mumbai, Maharashtra, in Bangalore, and also in Chennai. So all these places where these 3 major mobile companies have their units, have their premises, everything is being searched by the Income Tax Department. It's a coordinated search. That's what we are being told is that, because it's not just against one particular company. What we are being told is that they got credible input regarding the tax evasion by these 3 major mobile companies, and that's why the agency wanted to conduct the search at the same time in all these 3 major Chinese mobile companies, and that's why in the VRs today they started the search operation almost in 25 locations. When it started, it was somewhere around 25 locations. It would have been increased, but we are yet to get an official statement regarding the kind of seizure and also what they got in this particular search operation, etc. For that, we are awaiting further details from the Income Tax Department. But the search operation spread over 5 states in 25 locations is still underway.
All right, so Xiaomi, Oppo, OnePlus, 3 major companies, their Chinese mobile companies being raided by the IT department for tax evasion allegations as we speak. 25 locations, could have expanded more is what Arvind is hearing. Thanks so much for joining us with that.